Sunday night.
Maybe a day jazz day. Maybe the offline.
So welcome back to Sunday night. So today na Monday and a Ministry Monday. We will discuss ministry things, office things. And
ministry things. Leave up for ministry things, my brother.
Na toxic behavior. Things when they say how they behave for office when they say not pure at all. When they say you're not supposed to behave like that, and how we take deal with them so that it not go come out from Matthias' hand. And then on top Twitter, wait, what we'll talk before we continue the show, start the show. They say DJ exclusive na better woman he be before. Then Uche Jumbo na man he be before. Then Bumi, so make we not talk for outside again. Nedu na wetin you wear na coat abi na suit, my brother. Na me know what I wear. Na your own.
I don't know. Na your wear.
And then you go say Kiss Daniel na another woman he be before. Alex Kubo na lady. Wait on to man.
But you know, ask us who we think say.
But now who you think say be?
Koredebelu.
Koredebelu, it is a woman before. Wait on to man.
To man. You still get that feminine. You understand that fine feminine something. Katin.
Over to you. I bet one of the colors now. How do we talk? Albert, if you don't say Albert, they be like woman.
Yeah.
So if you say Albert, be woman before,
it's possible. You know, say Albert can't get all this skin to cover all the feminine.
And you know, say even the way
they yeah.
What's with that worker? We're saying this. Anyway, our phone number is 030. We'll have begin to call us now today for discuss with Bumi. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I am fine.
You guys be like Easy Beat too.
Good day, how today, no?
Easy Beat, how far?
Yes, I did, boss. Good evening.
I see my dear, hello.
The hell you to Daniel K.
That's the way now they talk about man will resemble woman. You get plenty people, though. Like who them see now?
What them see?
Na correct guy in be before. Even if you dey blind, if you touch her body, you gonna say na man.
My brother, you don't touch the body before?
No, I never touch her. The one of toxic behavior. You see why I notice that grammar of a thing now, wahala. So you get from people, the way they go address you for office, you know, you go there confused. So, yeah, I really like the way you people are saying.
All right, thank you very much, Daniel. Thank you. Good night. Right. Yeah, hello, good evening. DJ and a man before he turned to woman. Hello.
He said, no, now.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, Michael.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, how you doing?
I do.
How today? Are you with the man?
Yes, I'm with you, Nedo.
I talk with the hear you talk your talk.
Aha. The issue is una no mention Koredebelu.
Bumi don't. So what? Koredebelu, what you dey talk? Na woman before?
It be like saying a woman before it turn to man.
How you take no?
You know, see, I think they bang waist waka, they dance like a woman. Then another thing where for livestock, the way Catherine and Bumi, they wear clothes. Now sexual harassment for
Okay.
So that's a toxic behavior.
So my kind of toxic behavior be that.
It's a serious one though, because Bumi only shape, you really scatter everywhere.
Check. Not be wanting to make you watch this TV. Not be wanting
to make you on
your TV every Monday.
It's short, man. They make you watch this TV.
Michael, thank you. Good night, From Yola, good evening.
Hello?
Mohammed.
Hey, how far na Nebu? How na day?
Nebu, I'm not Nebuchadnezzar. I saw Nebu. How far now, Mohammed?
Fine. How things now?
We dey fine. I talk your talk.
I want to give our professional manager for there where they tell us about human resource management.
See, they hear you.
They play for confirm role for there. I beg, make tell the manager say, but make she talk to Madam Katim. The dress where she dress, maybe the one where you supposed to carry on the call office. Otherwise, they make guys confused.
Your toxic behavior. Okay, Mohammed, I don't tell him now.
As for Nebu and Mr. Easy Beat, they try well, they try, dress, no get. Fuck up bed. Our professional manager, she must say they try, no toxic behavior for the Benaka team.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to don't make it down for behind that table, no they sit down for that side. They confuse guys.
But now they make you they watch your TV. Oh,
I beg Mohammed, I'm not in Nebu. I'm not in Nebu. I beg you now,
your name is
don't chop grass before.
Kadir say Claire Mohamed and
oh, Claire Mohamed.
Putting up la sabi la scalaba bush.
Yes.
See they up.
Hello, Ben.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My brother, are you with me?
I am with you.
How is you?
I'm fine.
What talk your talk?
Yeah, I just want to greet you now. I enjoy the show, really.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, my guys, Easy Beat, well done, no?
Boss, good evening, boss.
Yeah, I think I agree.
My brother.
Hey, Ben.
Yeah.
You don't like what Katim wear?
Is that?
What Katim wear? You don't like him?
My brother, think that thing. Ben, I want to ask one question, honestly.
Ask.
Hello?
Yeah, ask the
I hear
question.
you now.
Maybe which I don't tire for. When I go by my day somewhere else, they carry my mind go another place.
Where your mind?
Where your mind there?
He gets one man where you invite one time for a show. I just want to know. I send mail in fact. One Somi.
Oh, okay, Somi of Iron.
Yeah. Oh. Honestly, he gets some things.
Hello?
Ben.
I send mail, just few things. So I send mail, I don't get reply from you people.
Oh.
So I just want to know, I don't know how far. Because, concerning that program.
They don't come now, it don't pass.
Too long now.
It don't done. I say done.
You know waiting. Go to
They
their
have
website.
They have did it and it has done.
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 Go to their website. What's it Iron meaning?
Iron, go Iron. African Young Entrepreneur. Go their website. Thank you, Ben. Before I go bite my tongue, where they talk with I don't know. And then
Two-Face wife Annie fits be man before him be woman. Katim biceps and triceps big pass easy own. Katim you be manpower while Nedu na girl before Nedu can twerk. Sexy eye and wine waist. KK, you just sit down they look. How you know say you twerk for them before? I be you
me
do an
twerk.
eye.
Am I
Love
twerk?
eye.
Are the eye? Who are the eye?
Person like say Charlie boy na woman before.
Charlie boy. Charlie boy.
Ndukwe say Tony Umez Rike.
Hey, say na woman, a better woman.
Yeah,
in fact, you don't kind of woman. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hey, he's.
Bye.
Why your TV they too loud? Bye. No, boom me over to you, Biko.
The next one we say having the last say. You know some people, no matter the amount of communication, they go on make their own be the last. Say na me talk am last, that my own point they must take. Yes.
You go talk and drag the matter.
I agree. Say that one a toxic behavior.
Drag, as if the matter won't cut.
Okay. Then another one. Let's say I know the next one you want to. Can I go like
Having all to say.
having all to say?
Na them won't talk everything. No. Nobody else must talk.
And then sabi pass.
Na them sabi pass.
ITK.
Yes.
And therefore, nobody must talk.
Nobody must talk. Oh.
That kind of person, if you make a mistake, give a microphone to talk. That's it. No, say that's the end of it.
Or maybe you even want to make the person do opening prayer. All of you go close eye. Open now. Close eye. Open. Close.
35 minutes. Una dey 37 minutes.
Okay.
Agenda for program set. Go down fast.
I said toilet own. What time? What in the toilet?
You know say.
Toilet.
They like.
Toilet office
it's
now.
part of it's part of toxic behavior. Some people like to they spray the seat.
So, but if you enter toilet, wait toilet there, only can if enter toilet,
spray the seat with waiting.
you go spray this or you go put tissue on top of.
Not really. You know, say some toilets, it's even wrong to say toilet.
So what do
You supposed to say maybe washroom.
Toilet, no washroom.
Person they chop because
What
they
is
head.
what?
And they come, I want, they tell your other colleague, I beg, hold my key, and they go toilet.
Maybe I won't go.
Yes, we keep out.
Do mouth like toilet. Ima?
That was even there, okay. And they go shit.
Hi.
And those kind of people, they don't go flush.
Hello. Osas, good evening.
Good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I'm with you. I'm cool.
What talk your talk?
You will not be careful.
My brother. What do I do now?
Be careful.
What did you do, please?
Elise. Osas. What's he?
You don't talk like that, go hang up.
Finish.
Me want hold the key.
The keys.
The keys.
Good evening.
What?
Who will leave me?
Bye bye. Then I left the lady before. Funke akin the lena man. Jesus.
Kafi, the dancer. Na man before.
Jesus. Katim was Ishani born a man. If you be man, I don't wonder what thing could be your name. But if you man, you answer Bonaventure.
No, it's too. No be Bonaventure.
What thing could be your name?
Which kind of name? If I be man.
You know, say Katim, they like Katim side, they like to bear name like saying a story.
Okay,
Boniface.
like
Boniface. But
Jumbo.
Jumbo. Hello, good evening from
God's
Wari.
will.
God's will.
God's will.
God best.
God's power.
Hello.
Yeah.
God best.
My brother, how is
How are
you?
you?
How is you?
Oh my God, that woman.
Now,
We greet you,
Uh-huh,
my
we
brother.
greet
I
you.
talk your talk. Time not there.
I beg, last week here, this sex workers, they hold seminar. I not see you for there.
Me?
This sex worker hold seminar for Lagos last week.
No, I don't be their member now.
You tell us that you go try go visit them one day. Come give up.
Okay, you know what's going to happen eh? If you know their president, I beg, let them give us their number, make we talk to them, so they go come show. Because if you say you they interested in their issue.
Yes.
For you to come for head, you maybe you go be for auxiliary member. You don't marry.
I don't marry her.
Your wife dead there.
He did hear me here.
Give her phone. Give your wife phone.
We are careful.
Wife, your phone.
Hello, mommy.
Madam, your husband know when Sanusi from what girls they do meeting. Are you not afraid?
I'm not afraid, though. I trust him.
Oh, you know the phone and go the meeting.
You know the phone and go the meeting.
No, I know the fella I go.
And you trust him.
And you trust her, you trust
And
him.
you trust him.
I trust her where?
Madam, go church. Oh. Go and pray. Oh.
Mommy, you will not make heaven.
Yes! Is it your iPhone? Bye-bye. From Warri Good, another Warri. Oh, no.
Where Eloho?
Oh, no. And Eloho wife don't go born.
Oh, so you follow and go.
You follow and go. Hello?
So they
Onos.
enter village.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay, wrapping up. 1 minute, wrapping up.
No,
Flushing
We'll end with
habits.
toilets.
Flushing habits. Some people, if you enter when they finish for washroom, you no go fit enter. They no go flush. They no
Well,
go
not be
do
their
anything.
faults now.
Nah.
You don't know how this cat want to be. You know, Jesus.
You go
forgive
wait
me
there.
others from the way they eat now. You know you go flush. You get some way you go. Some kind serious one. Okay. When you go don't flush finish. They go see
Never
they look
chop
you.
this night.
I know they go anywhere.
So, it better be
You can't go fetch water for bucket. Or you can't wait. Person go say, you never finish. My brother, they come. You have time there, they wait. Make that thing full. Make water full again.
No, it's better at those kind of people. It's better to just get pit toilet, pit latrine inside your house.
You come with make water from the tank, come full. When not full, wipe them. But after the boutique go contact, say you dey mad. I dey here. And I go see when they lost toilet 1 hour. Not be say the person mean am. It don't finish since. Now the ministry. Anyway, we go stop with toilet bad behavior. Sorry. Okay, what have to talk am?
You go say washroom.
Washroom where they wash wetin they wash.
Washroom. Just
washroom.
now.
Okay, White House.
But you know, say girls know they when woman tell you say they know they tell you outside say I'm going to the toilet.
Bumi, why you not talk mess? They get some people they mess for our office. Hey, that is a toxic behavior.
The mess where they make noise or the
Air freshener.
And no girls will find where one and then they even mess pass.
Now then they chop rubbish.
Now then they chop rubbish. Now then they will carry chop ice cream.
Again, they buy them the rubbish.
Give me shawarma. Give me no
grilled chicken.
And especially all those girls with the yellow. Well, yellow girls mess for you here. And you're not get home. When they mess, Jesus. Monica and their mess, now they make sound.
Monica yellow.
Monica, you don't hear Monica mess? See, Eno, if Eno mess for you here. Is that this way they do Smith? Leave them, their mess now there.
And the thing
anyway,
they go mess finish, you don't even suspect them.
And you're not going to suspect them.
Yes.
Now, when they mess, now person when they ugly. We don't wear better clothes.
They go say mess.
Me one of them mess. Anyway, now good evening, then myself good evening. Double toilet all of now we call us because all the witches, I beg, make una send us message about this app. What una want do to help manage traffic.
Woman before I go.
Double toilet to put me on it. Double toilet to our producers.
Easy bit.
Everybody, easy bit na woman before not saying her. Yeah. Anyway, till tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get Raskimono Bomba class.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.